Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to make a Game Pass and please donate. So let's get started. First, go to the Roblox website. At the top, click on Create to open the Creator Hub. Now on the left side, select Creations. Then go to My Experiences. Click on your game or experience, which will have your username. Scroll down and open the Monetization section, then click on Passes. Click on Create a Pass. You'll have the option to upload an image. This is optional. Name your pass and optionally add a description. This name will be visible to others when they donate. Once ready, click Create Pass. Now, to make it appear in Roblox, you need to put it on sale. Click the pass, go to the Sales section on the left and switch on Item for Sale. Enter the price you want. For example, if you want a 100 Robux donation, type 100. Remember, you won't receive the full amount due to creator earnings tax. Finally, click Save Changes. Your Game Pass is now active. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.